Welcome to 114 Woods Lane in Menands,
a spectacular Howard Hanna luxury listing. Now we're in the gorgeous, spacious living room,
which is open to this magnificent patio overlooking the most beautiful 9.5-acre treed lot.
and now we are in the beautiful primary suite with its gorgeous moldings, and it's complete with a custom bath with a jacuzzi tub, a spa shower, and a massive walk-in closet.
The Grand Ballroom features high ceilings and a beautiful marble fireplace. It's the ideal space for large gatherings.
So thank you for taking a look at our spectacular 114 Woods Lane in Menands, a Howard Hanna luxury home.
Call Kyle or Kathy at the Cooley team to view this special home.